raced for you guys almost 10 years.
Sorry, Brick. My mind's made up. I'm giving your number to someone new.
Hey, I had 2 wins last year.
All sports change.
Hey, Bobby? Do you know what's happening with Brick? Oh. Wait, you're not Bobby.
Name's Danny, bro.
Hey, champ. Where'd all your friends go?
A final check of his tires as Storm settles into the pole position.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's end this season with a great race.
That's it, buddy!
40 laps to go, and race leader Jackson Storm is making his way onto pit road with McQueen on his tail. A good stop here could mean the difference between victory and defeat.
Come on! Faster, Guido, come on. I gotta get back out there before he does. Guido, hurry up!
What the fuck? What a pit stop by McQueen! Man, he's got the lead!
What? Can he hold on to it?
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement.
Storm takes back the lead.
Unbelievable! McQueen is fading! McQueen is fading! Fading fast!